Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Touch ID and passcode, then enter your passcode to unlock enrollment. Now place a clean, dry finger on the sensor and lift when prompted. Repeat the press and lift motion so the phone captures different contact points. Make sure to adjust the angle slightly each time so the sensor records the fingerprint's edges and tip. Once done, you'll see progress on screen. Follow prompts until the first scan stage completes and the device asks for the next set. Once the initial stage completes, continue with the refinement phase to capture more of your fingerprint. Apply varied pressure and rotate your finger slightly so the sensor reads ridges from multiple angles. This reduces false negatives. Make sure to add alternate fingers or a thumb now so you have backups when your primary finger is wet or gloved. After finishing scans, enable Touch ID options like iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and App Store purchases so the sensor works across tasks you use most. You finish by testing unlocks and payment confirmations to confirm reliable recognition. If the sensor misses often, re-enroll the affected finger. Delete the entry and register again using full, varied scans covering edges and center. Make sure to keep the sensor surface clean and dry. Wipe gently with a lint-free cloth and avoid liquids or abrasive cleaners because residue and damage impair reads. If problems persist after re-enrolling, reboot the device and try one more registration. Contact support only if hardware failure seems likely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.